Trampolines for synchronized moves must be positioned at the same height and be placed at a distance of 2 meters from each other. Safety checks should be carried out before using the trampoline. The frame padding should be intact. The fixing straps should also be undamaged. The rubber cable in the upper section of the leg brace should be intact. They ensure that the leg brace remain firmly in the sockets. A trampoline bed is suspended by 118 steel springs. If a student jumps onto the springs, the open ends of the steel springs can cause injury. This is why these open ends must always be facing downwards. If the steel springs have been placed the wrong way around, or if they need to be replaced, then this should be undertaken immediately. When replacing a steel spring, it must first be disengaged on the frame side. This requires some force. It can then be easily removed from the bed side. It should first be secured to the bed side, taking care to ensure that the hook is pointing downwards. The spring is then secured to the frame. This again requires some force. Now the hook is pointing downwards. The 4 chains of a trampoline must all demonstrate the same level of tension so that the trampoline can perform to its optimal capacity. When fastening the chains, the tip of the hook should point downwards. The chain must be adjusted so that every second link is aligned the same way. The lock nuts and tension device must be properly tightened so that the chain alignment does not change. The tension of the chain can be checked by moving it backwards and forwards. In the case of older trampoline models, the stitches that bind the nylon bands of the bed together can be worn out. They should be checked at regular intervals. If the bands move apart when someone is jumping on the bed, injury cannot be ruled out.